Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to YouTube videos. If you want to add music free copyright to your videos, so this video is for you. So let's jump into the video. First of all, go to your Chrome and open a YouTube studio. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Now open your YouTube studio in Chrome or desktop site or laptop, because this is method for editing, so you need a laptop or desktop site. After here you zoom your setting, and here you can see there's an option of music. In the last corner you have to touch on music. After click on music, all the copy free right music of YouTube studio will appear here. Now this is all the songs that you can use into your long videos, and they will not affect your videos because they are free copyright music. So hope so friend you watch enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel, and comment below if you like this video. So let's move to the video. Now what you have to do, touch on the sound. If you like any sound from above this list, touch on this sound, and in the corner here you can see there's an option of download. So you have to download this music into your library. Here I'm downloading my music into this music YouTube free copyright music into my files. After downloading this music into my files, I upload this music with my videos and use this music in my videos and upload on YouTube channel. This will not affect my YouTube channel, and this will not affect my videos at all, and this is copy free right music. Anyone can else use this music. This cannot affect your videos or a claim copyright claim. It's policy, or it's not a condition or term that you cannot use this music. You can easily use this music in your video. So hope so how this is, you can see on a screen, this is a procedure how you can easily add this music to your video. So hope so friends you like, watch, enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. So stay tuned with this channel for more updates like this, and if you have any question, please comment below. We will try to answer. So this is the end of this video. Hope so you watch and enjoy this video. Thanks for your love and support.